about family things and the friend. And another one, well, I talk about the clay and the wekai. And another one, the rooster and the dog. The rooster is on the top of the tree. The dog's underneath with the tree. But by the like the river, the little pond on the side, and the dog looked to the shadow at the bottom. Oh, the rooster's on the top, got something in the mouth, but he hungry, and he said, "Hey, can you? I hear you singing last night. Your voice was beautiful. Can you singing it to me again, please?" And okay. And roosters on the top, he started open the mouth to growl. I said, "Cuckoo, cuckoo!" And piece food on the rooster's mouth when it dropped out, and the dog eats. And the roosters never eat anything. That's all the stories come out from there. And I always said, we call it the Niue Ways. Well, I knew like piece of coconut on the rooster's mouth, but the dog underneath, and the dog ate it. See, they should come back, all the friend. Don't trust your friend.
Thank you. Posteka.